This restaurant is cooking premium Wagyu in a variety of different ways. With a curated set menu and a la carte offerings, they're bringing Japanese food to those who live beyond downtown. This place is trying to change that narrative by bringing a more affordable menu that features high-quality meats and fish that are elegantly prepared in a cozy environment. Here they have two types of menus, a set menu for 1 to 4 people and an a la carte menu. Since they specialize in Kansai-style sukiyaki, you'll find that, along with yaki, shabu-shabu, sushi, and sashimi as part of their offering. To clarify, sukiyaki refers to Japanese hot pot that's sweeter and with ingredients that are all simmered together. Yaki refers to meat being cooked right on the pan, and shabu-shabu is piece by piece cooking in pork or chicken broth. With the set menus, everything comes to your table one at a time, beginning with the seasonal appetizer before the rest follows. I was treated to the Supreme Sushi and Wagyu set that comes with a mix of marbled meat and fish. And if you're wondering, they have 2 kinds of beef, Australian M8 Wagyu and Japanese A5 Wagyu. The meat is all cooked by their staff and enjoyed by you, the customer. And of course, they have a selection of sake that will help wash it all down. Visit Wagyu Suki at 3636 Steeles Avenue East, Unit 110 in Markham.